Okay, this is on the Taylorsville Extra Space storage job, number 55975. So out here, park here, we're doing the work right on the other side of this wall. But this is the AC we're replacing. Existing pad, gonna flush this 3/4 inch line set. I'll give you new 3/4 inch Rubitex. Says Parker's gonna put a disconnect out here. I'm guessing because this is locked and they probably keep it locked. So our new unit will take a 20 amp breaker. So I'm gonna order a disconnect and a 20 amp QL breaker. So if that one's bigger than that, we'll put the 20 amp breaker inside our disconnect. But this is a tight one, so let's go inside. Okay, so if you come in the front office here, it's just this door right here. There's also an access door right here that we can climb in. So this is tight, and the problem is Hunter is a salesman, so I talked to him. Anyway, so from the top of the furnace to this line right here at the corner is 24.5. Our coil is 24.5. So I have to write it down still, but I have a cut line right here. And I'm just basically gonna remake this 45 with a 0 throat here and a 1 inch throat here, and then give you a 6 inch canvas. This one I'm gonna put it 1/2 inch out because we stuck 16.5 and our furnace is 17.5. So you'll be playing with a 1/2 inch right there, but that's okay. You can work with that. So problem is, this is a uncased coil. They tapped in this 10 inch right on the side low. So we're gonna get rid of this here. And it's gonna have a front. We don't need this access door. This fire damper has basically been removed. There's pieces and remnants in there of it, but we're gonna just get rid of that too. So gonna have to tap in a new 10 inch just as high on the top, wherever you can. You know, if you can get it there, great. But you're also gonna need to tap in a 6 inch as well somewhere. So I give you 3 10 inch 90s and 5 feet of 10 inch pipe to try to make that a little bit better. And honestly, I don't know how much airflow we need out of it because it's going into the cement, which they installed these to cool this place down here. So I'm not sure where those go, but anyway, so back here, pretty tight. So we got this 6 inch coming off the back. So we'll want to just take it off wherever it'll get the most air. Obviously the back of the coil, if we come up the very top above the coil, but I don't know that it's going to because our cut line is basically right here. So top of the coil will be right here. So unless we have that much open space in the corner above the coil, otherwise we'll have to come up over here and then 90. So I gave you a side takeoff. If you can't use that, then just tap in a 90. All right. So yeah, sorry I couldn't think of any easy way to do this. Asked Parker if he wanted to put it uncased, but he said he'd prefer to use the case, so that's where we are at. So AC only. Remove the broken fire damper. I went over this already. AC I went over. The drain is just going to go to the floor. There's just floor drain right there, standard order. We're going to replace this 20 by 20 filter media with the new one. That's it.